Are you on a quest to find the best health insurance companies in America? Wondering which ones offer the most comprehensive coverage, the best customer service, and the most affordable plans? Well, your search ends here. Today, we're going to unveil the top 10 health insurance companies in America that might be just what you're looking for. Starting at number 10, we have Humana. Known for its wide range of coverage options, Humana is particularly popular among seniors, offering a variety of Medicare Advantage plans. It also scores high in customer satisfaction, making it a solid choice for those seeking comprehensive and reliable health coverage. At number 9 is Molina Healthcare. A favorite among individuals and families with lower incomes, Molina offers Medicaid and CHIP plans in several states. Despite its affordable rates, Molina doesn't skimp on quality, as it's recognized for its strong preventive care services. Number 8 on our list is Kaiser Permanente. This company stands out for its unique approach to healthcare, operating both insurance plans and its own network of hospitals and clinics. If you value convenience and integrated care, Kaiser Permanente might be the right fit for you. Next up at number 7 is Cigna. With a strong international presence, Cigna offers a variety of health plans, including employer-sponsored coverage and individual plans. Notably, Cigna has a reputation for its impressive mental health support services. Coming in at number 6, we have Etna. Etna is applauded for its wide range of plan options and its commitment to preventive care. It's a strong contender for those seeking a balance of affordability and comprehensive coverage. Halfway through our list at number 5 is Anthem. A subsidiary of the Blue Cross Blue Shield Association, Anthem offers a wide variety of plans, including employer-sponsored, individual, and family plans. It's also known for its strong network of healthcare providers. In the 4th spot, we have Centene Corporation. As the largest provider of Medicaid and CHIP plans, Centene is a go-to for lower-income individuals and families. It's also recognized for its commitment to community health and its innovative care models. Breaking into the top 3, we have UnitedHealthcare. As one of the largest health insurance companies in America, UnitedHealthcare offers a wide array of plans and has an extensive network of healthcare providers. It's also lauded for its digital health tools, which make managing your health and insurance a breeze. Coming in at number 2 is Blue Cross Blue Shield. With its vast network of healthcare providers and variety of plan options, Blue Cross Blue Shield is a reliable choice for many. It's known for its strong customer service and its commitment to community health. Finally, at the top of our list at number 1 is, drumroll please, CVS Health. With its recent acquisition of Etna, CVS Health has become a major player in the healthcare industry. Offering a unique blend of retail and healthcare services, CVS Health is redefining the way we think about health insurance. So there you have it, the top 10 health insurance companies in America. Remember, the best company for you depends on your specific needs, budget, and location. So make sure you do your homework before making a decision. In summary, today we've explored the top 10 health insurance companies in America, from Humana at number 10 to CVS Health at number 1. Each of these companies has its own strengths, from comprehensive coverage options to impressive customer satisfaction ratings. But no matter which you choose, you're taking a step towards securing your health and peace of mind. Now, isn't that something worth investing in? Thank you for joining us on this journey. Be sure to tune in next time as we continue to explore the world of healthcare.